Yes, of cause, you are welcome to AFRIMEDIA Rwanda. We are here to build a good life, guys. Here's a detailed explanation of why some individuals might feel. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Certainly below, I'll provide a deeper description of some of the suggested questions to help you understand why they're important and how they can lead to meaningful conversations. General personality and preferences. What are your hobbies or activities that make you happy? Why ask? Understanding what she loves to do gives insight into her personality, passions, and how she spends her time. It's a great way to find shared interests or learn about something new. Example, if she loves painting, you could suggest going to an art exhibit together in the future. Are you more of an introvert or extrovert? Why ask? This helps you understand her social preferences. Is she energized by people or does she prefer quiet, reflective time? What kind of music, movies, or books do you enjoy? Why ask? Knowing her taste in entertainment can reveal her emotional depth, creativity, and what brings her joy. Values and beliefs. What's something you're really passionate about? Why ask? Passion drives people, and this question shows what truly excites her. It's a great way to see how she approaches life and what makes her happy. What qualities do you value most in a person? Why ask? This reveals her standards for relationships and friendships, helping you understand what kind of partner she appreciates. Life goals and aspirations. What's a dream or goal you're currently working toward? Why ask? This question can tell you about her ambition and what's important to her in life. It's a chance to discuss how you can support her dreams. Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years? Why ask? Understanding her future vision ensures your paths align. For example, if she wants to travel the world but you prefer settling down, it's something to think about early. Relationships and connection. What's the most important quality you look for in a partner? Why ask? This gives you a chance to understand her expectations and see if you can meet them. What's your love language? Why ask? Everyone expresses and receives love differently. Knowing if she values quality time, words of affirmation, acts of service, gifts, or physical touch can help you connect more meaningfully. Fun and random questions. What's a fun fact about yourself that most people don't know? Why ask? This keeps the conversation light and playful while letting her share something unique about herself. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Why ask? It gives insight into her dreams and what kind of environment she feels happiest in, whether it's bustling cities, serene beaches, or quiet countryside. How to use these questions effectively. Be mindful of timing. Don't rush to ask everything in one sitting. Let the questions come up naturally in conversation. Listen actively. Show interest in her answers and respond thoughtfully. Share about yourself too. Keep the exchange balanced. Relationships grow through mutual understanding. Observe her reactions. Pay attention to how she feels when discussing certain topics. It reveals what matters most to her. Would you like me to help you structure a conversation around these questions or explore any topic more deeply? Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe now